Today we're going to cover mean, median, mode, and range. The mean is the average of a data set. So if we give you a group of numbers, like we have down here, the mean would be the average of those numbers. To calculate average, we take the sum of all data values, which means when we add all these numbers up, divided by the number of values, which is when we count each one of these. So that's how we get the mean. The median is the middle number in an ordered set of data, and the key term there, ordered set of data, because to get the median, to get that middle number, the numbers must be put in order first. If the number of values is even, take the average of the two middle numbers. For example, if this was the number set that was given to you, then the median number, the middle number, is 3. However, if we gave you an even set of numbers, now there is no middle set. The middle is right there. So you would take the two numbers that are in the middle and get the average. 3 plus 5 is 8. Divided by 2, that's 4. So the median in that case would be 4. The mode is the number that occurs most frequently. So when you look at your data set, what number occurs most often? If no number occurs more than once, there is no mode. It is possible to have more than one mode, though. And the last part is the range, which is where you take your highest number from your lowest number. So on the sheet that was given out in class, we're going to use Babe Ruth as an example. First, we'll ask for the median number. You can use your calculator for this. The median is the middle number in the ordered set of data. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take those numbers and write them out in order. And when you've done that, it should look like this. And now that they're in order, I have to take the middle number. So I'm going to count from the outside to get to my middle. So if I take the two outsidemost numbers and cross them out. So if I take the two outside numbers, in this case 11 and 60, cross them out, 29 and 59, 41 and 54, 46 and 54, 46 and 49. Now the two middlemost numbers, again, we don't have that middle number, so we want the average of the two. And the average of 46 and 47 would give us 46.5 is our median. Next is the number that occurs most frequently. Mode is the number that occurs the most. So in this set of data, if we look at what repeats most is 46. And once you've ordered your numbers, it makes it a lot easier to solve. Now we're looking for the range. So again, if you've written them in order, I see my smallest number is 11 and my largest number is 60. So 60 minus 11, just to double check, I didn't take my minus sign, minus 11 equals 49. So the range and I saved the most time-consuming, perhaps most difficult for last. And this is where we need to find the mean, which is the average. So first thing, we're going to remember, add these up and divide by the number. First, I'd like to know how many I'm dividing by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So whenever I get my total, I'm going to be dividing by 12. Okay, I'll plug in these numbers. 11 plus 29 plus 41 plus 46 plus 46 again, plus 46. So you have to do it however many times you see it, plus 47, plus 49, plus 54, plus 54, plus 59, plus 60, and that should give me a total of 542, which I divide by 12. And it gives me an average of 45.16666. Now, if we ask you for 2 decimal places, then you have 45 point, and then you look at the second decimal place, that's 6, and if what's behind it is greater than 5 or more, you would round it up. So you could call that 45.17 if we wanted 2 decimal places.